Hey guys, it's me, James. Yeah, so last time I showed you this AccuBurr Jr. and it's really cool because it's got three basic angles on it. You got a low angle, a mid angle, and a high angle to put on your card scraper. So I showed you last time exactly how to use this, how to prep your cards, and a couple of things that I wanted to say real quick about getting a smooth surface on your workpiece is the best, most smooth surface that you're ever going to get is from a cut. The second most is going to be from a scrape, and the third most is going to be from sanding. Which I do have a nice sander here. Ugh, it's scratchy. It's scratchy. It's scratchy on my sole, and it's scratchy on this workpiece. On this table that I'm making, and nobody really likes sanding all that much. It can be cathartic at times, sure, but not really the best time in the world. Anyway, so I showed you how to use this, and now I'm going to show you how awesome the results are. So again, you know, this isn't doing a cut, but it's still way better than sanding and doesn't make that high, loud pitch squeal. Anyway, that's real quick, and I mean those are fine. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I mean that's ideal. That's exactly what you want with any kind of scrape when you're using a lathe tool scraper or you're using a card scraper. This is still way better than, you know, trying to sand all this down. And you can see how quick it is too. I mean, I haven't been doing this very long, but just look at the surface change, you know? That's just it. And that's ready for finish. I mean, how much better can you get? You know, that's just it. Look how much I took off that quickly. I don't have a bunch of sawdust in my face. It's not dust. And, you know, it's just fun. This is way more fun than sanding. Card scrapers are fun. Woodworking's fun. The AccuBurr Jr. is fun.